In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side view glass mirror on your Kia Sorento. Located on the passenger door, let's get started. We want to start by putting some painter's tape on the mirror itself. This is to avoid it from shattering and glass getting everywhere. I highly recommend you wear gloves and safety glasses. We're going to go ahead and do tape. You want to cover as much as you can of the mirror. Using a plastic trim tool, we're gonna go ahead and pry on the mirror, being very careful around the edges. You're gonna go ahead and pry. Move the mirror on as much as you can. Grab the plastic trim, go around the mirror, and pry on it. Once we have it off, you want to go ahead and unplug the heating element. It's just 2 cables. And that's the old one out. Now we're ready to install the new one. This is not side dependent, so you can just connect it anywhere, or either or, I mean. We're gonna go ahead and line up the mirror with the base. And being very, very careful, we're gonna put pressure right in the center. If you go over to the side, there is a high risk that the new mirror will crack. So simply line it up, clip it in place, and now we're ready to remove the tape. And that is job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.